Hi, my name is Dylan, and this is my competition project, and I'll be telling you about my dream.
Okay. Show us the code first.
So this is the code for telling about my dream.
Mm-hmm. All right. Can you run it?
Yeah.
All right. That
My
sounds cool. Tell us about your dream.
so my dream is to be a lawyer when I'm older, and I want to have a dog. Also, I want to be a good basketball player. I also want to have kids, and I want to have a big backyard with a pool. Lastly, I want to live near the beach because I love the beach and it's really fun to go to.
Okay. Cool. Great job. Thank you, Dylan, for submitting a competition project. Well, that's fine for now, and because you are a new student, so yeah, that's fine. So thank you, Dylan.